In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to type an Omega symbol in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to proceed at the button search bar and either type for Notepad or Word document. So you can use both. So once a best match would appear, please click on the open to continue. Okay, so the moment you are being navigated to the Notepad or Microsoft Word that you have opened, all you need to do is you need to use a shortcut key in order to type for an omega symbol. And the very first shortcut key that you need to use is you need to press Alt key and 234 key in the keyboard. Okay, let me just bring up my on-screen keyboard so that you can completely see what exactly keys you are going to press down and to avoid any confusion. So we just have to wait until this would be available, and once it's here, please click on it. Let me just click on it rather. So from here, just proceed to the built-in or the physical keyboard that you are having along with your laptop and not this on-screen keyboard because I'm just showing you what exactly keys you are going to press on. So basically you would be able to see a number keys here being placed in this area. Okay. And you can also see a number keys being placed at the right side of the keyboard that you are having. Okay. And the number keys that you are going to use on is this one and not on this one. Again, don't use the number keys that is being placed here in this area and use this instead. Okay? And the first shortcut key that you can use is by pressing Alt key, okay, and 234 key, 234 key. The moment you release that, you would be able to type an omega symbol here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so let me just expand it so that you can completely see clearly the omega sign or symbol. Okay, so another shortcut key that you can use on is just press Alt key and then 0937, then release that, and in that way you would be able to write an omega symbol here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And the fourth key that you can use is by pressing Alt again and use the 8486. Okay, so just type for 8486 by pressing and holding the Alt key and release that, and in that way you would be able to type the omega sign symbol in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And the next key, the last and next key that you can use is just type for, just press for Alt and the 969, just type for 969 and release that. Okay. Anyway, it's showing a different sign here, meaning that it can't be used for typing an omega sign. Anyway, for some laptop, when they press for Alt and 969 in their numeric keypad, they would be able to type an omega symbol. Okay, so those are the shortcut keys that you can use on. Again, press Alt and then the 234 key, and that way you would be able to type an omega symbol. And the next steps by pressing Alt and the 0937 key, and in that way you will be able to type an omega symbol as well. And by pressing Alt and the 8486 keys in your numeric keypad, 8486 keys in your numeric keypad, you will be able to type an omega symbol. And in some laptops, they can press Alt and the 969. In that way you would be able to type an omega symbol as well. So this is only for some laptops. So particularly this three would work on most of the laptops. in different models or brands. Okay, that's it. Once you're good, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.